Welcome to this edition of Business Video Today. I'm your host, Steve Vonderhaar. This time we're joined by Kevin Loudon, the product manager, the episode encoder over at Telestream. Welcome, Kevin.
Hi, Steve. Thanks for having me.
Well, we have the Business Video Expo coming up in just a couple of weeks here in Miami, Florida at the beginning of February. And you're going to be joining us at the conference in Miami to talk a little bit about HTML5 and some of the issues related to the adoption of business video in the mobile environment. From your role in handling product management for the episode encoder, tell us a little bit about the product first of all, and then we can get into some of the prospects and opportunities associated with using the product in the mobile environment.
Sure. Well, Episode is a video transcoding tool for the Mac and the PC. It's used extensively in business communications for repurposing all that video content to all of these different devices, mobile devices, tablets, web, just about anywhere you can think. So we're sort of intimately aware of all of those challenges with HTML5, adaptive streaming, all the way down the line. So it's sort of in our best interest in our business in general to be very aware of all those different outlets, different viewing experiences, and all the new technologies that are coming and standards.
Right. Are customers coming to you? What's the tenor of the producers and the people developing video today in terms of their aspirations for the mobile world? Is video going to be a data type that's going to be prevalent in that area, or?
Absolutely. It's growing like gangbusters, and not only with the entertainment providers, but the business providers. People want to get video on their websites. They want to get video to their customers, whether it's sales material, marketing material, training material, quarterly reports, and they need to get it everywhere because that's where people are consuming their video. They want it on their phones. They want it on their tablets. They want it on their TVs. They want it on their desktops. So yeah, it's a big growing interest. Not only in the entertainment space, but also in the business space.
Yeah, it really is a matter of ubiquity for video. Almost anywhere that you can think about communicating, historically, you can begin thinking about putting video as part of that communications toolbox. What kind of challenges does the emergence of the mobile environment create for technology vendors like Telestream? There's got to be some form factors or some issues that really make it a different world for people producing the types of technology tools that enable video creation and distribution like you folks do. Are there unique challenges associated uniquely to the mobile world that you're out there trying to solve right now?
I would say, one of the biggest challenges that we face as a transcoding tool provider is it's our job to make sure that we support as many formats and devices and platforms as possible, because it's our tool that people are going to use to take their piece of communication and spread it and get it prepared for all of those viewing outlets. So in the mobile space, right now there's, iOS came on, and it was a big challenge. How are we going to get the video to the iOS devices? It doesn't play Flash. So you had Flash-enabled mobile devices, and then you had HTML5 or iOS devices, and now you've got Android. And Android right now is sort of is kind of a loose format. There's a lot of different manufacturers. It's very open, unlike iOS, which is a very closed, controlled environment. So you've got different hardware specs, you've got different software revs of Android. And now there's other players coming in, Windows and everything. So there's a lot of fragmentation. So for content producers, they need to be aware of, what devices do I want this to be playable on? How do I want to reach my audience? And then for us as a tools provider, we need to give them the tools to do that.
And it's actually a dream come true for tools developers, because you got lots of problems to solve when you start having so many different channels to deal with in the mobile world.
Yeah, especially for us, we make our business out of providing those tools to address many different file formats and specs and things like that. But at the same time, if we can make it easier, if the marketplace can make it easier to use a single video format for many purposes, that's great for everybody as well. Maybe we can spend some more time concentrating on quality, and things like that, instead of, having to worry about this, and this. We can say, okay, we're going to make this, and we want to make this look as great as possible.
Right. Absolutely. There's a lot of issues, a lot of challenges associated with mobile video deployment. We look forward to seeing you in Miami Beach and talking about these issues at the Business Video Expo just at the beginning of February, coming straight up.
Yeah, I look forward to it too. I learn a lot at these sessions as well, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Well, we look forward to seeing you there, and we look forward to seeing all the viewers of the Business Video Today series at the Business Video Expo, February 1st to February 3rd, where thought leaders like Kevin will be presenting information related to the adoption and innovation of business video in the enterprise. For Business Video Today, I'm Steve Underhar. Thanks for your time.